Welcome. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to check in a ticket using a mobile device from AutoTextMe to Protractor. That's right, Curbside Check-in using the AutoTextMe kiosk. Let's take a look at how this works. For this demonstration, we're going to take it from a perspective of a service advisor who is using a tablet or mobile device or cell phone out there in the parking lot with a customer at the vehicle. Very similar to how you would perceive a dealership drive-in. You open the check-in kiosk on your mobile device and you'll be looking at a screen just like this, but of course on the tablet. Begins with the customer's cell phone number. You'll want to grab that number from them right there at the vehicle. And then if it is an existing customer, this data will be pre-filled for you already from all the information you've had in the past. You can of course add new customers and get that information right there as well. You can use a pre-existing vehicle or you can add a new vehicle. If you do add a new vehicle, you can do this by adding simple year, make, and model. We don't require anything else. You can add additional details once you've checked in the ticket very easily. Let's use Joe Palooka's 2002 Honda Odyssey for this example. We'll select the Odyssey. We could plug in mileage if we know it. If not, no need to put that in there. We'll just hit next. And now we're at the questionnaire. Now, if you've set this up beforehand, you'll be able to have built out your questions to accommodate this. This is key because this is going to go in as a concern in Protractor. So we'll go ahead and put in a rattle over bumps. Of course, you'll be typing this on your tablet. And if there's any additional concerns or additional things you want for the visit, you can enter that as well. We'll hit next. Now we have service jobs, menu items. I'm not going to select anything on this, but if you do, you can absolutely transfer this in and this will show up for you. Also, if you want to have a dollar value, that can be represented here. It's very useful because in the next page where we do the review, it does prompt you if you set your tablet up to do this to get a signature from an individual. You can have that signed right there on the tablet. And if there is a dollar amount, it's good to have captured that signature, verifying the authorization. We'll click here to submit. And as soon as we do that, we're going to want to pull in our Protractor view. It'll process that for just a second. And as soon as that's done, let's pull Protractor up here. And here we have our prioritization screen. I've deliberately voided all tickets out of Protractor till now. You will have to hit the refresh button, but that can be done immediately after that kiosk experience has been submitted. Here you'll see the ticket has transferred in. I'll zoom in a little bit on this for you. You can open the details tab, and this is where you can see additional information on when it was transferred from the kiosk. Your shop is also going to receive an email notification anytime a kiosk entry is put in. You can see here, we can click right there to see a summary. The signature will be captured, any jobs. What's really neat about the kiosk is if you have outstanding inspection items from previous visits, they'll also have been there for the customer to click. If they had chosen any of these will also be represented here as well, bringing in previous visits to this experience. Very nice full circle experience there. We'll close this here and let's take a look at the details inside of Protractor one more time. We'll pop that back on our screen. And let's open that ticket for Joe Palooka. You'll notice that the rattle over bumps and the lube oil filter are entered in as a concern. We're just going to go ahead and leave that as it is. In this case, I'll save and close this ticket. Once this is all in there like this, we're ready to begin our normal repair process. If you need to build out an estimate, you can do so. These items are all fully integrated. You can open the DVI. Actually, the service advisor, while they're at the vehicle, could open this up right there, curbside. He could have already gone into the inspection, performed some of the details of this inspection right there, including information such as the walk-up, the exterior photos, all those sort of details, and have fun with it. This is a simple way to undock yourself from the desk. I think our users are going to find this very beneficial. One other key piece is that the scheduler kiosk, which is available to you if you go into your admin menu, you'll see in your kiosk menu, there's two different types of kiosks. The scheduler kiosk works exactly the same, except of course, this will add an appointment instead of a ticket on the board, and that can later be converted into a regular ticket, all fully integrated. Hope you enjoy this feature. It's a fantastic way to leverage the full ability of the AutoTextMe and Protractor integration If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@autotext.me, and we'll be happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching.